Eggs are one of the most versatile ingredients we can have at home, and today we're making something special with our eggs. So ito siya. It's called a frittata. Let's start cooking. So ito, let's start. No? So I have wonderful ingredients here. I have some onions, red and green bell peppers, some bacon for some saltiness, and potatoes. Yung patatas natin is par-cooked. No? It's already boiled. So when we cook our eggs, which cooks very quickly, hindi magiging hilaw yung ating patata. So let me start by sauteing all these ingredients. Heat up the oil. I have a bit of oil here and I will add my bacon. Yan. Kung medyo fatty yung bacon mo, bawasan mo lang yung oil mo ha. Render the bacon a bit. Bring out that nice salty flavor. I will add onions. Ito, white onions. I will add my potatoes, patatas, a little bit of salt, black pepper. Add my red and green bell peppers. You can add whatever herbs you have, dried herbs. I think I'll use a bit of oregano. While that is cooking, let's crack our eggs. So we're using 6 eggs. So what you can do with this, pwede mo naman siyang gawin ahead of time. Yan, beat our eggs. Salt, pepper. And let's add our sauteed bacon and vegetables into our eggs. Mix, mix, mix. And we will add cheese. No, you can use whatever cheese you want. Yan, ito, gamit ko nga dito, pizza topping na, di ba? So it's a mix of cheddar and mozzarella. Use the same pan. You can wipe it off if you want, no? Pero ganyan siya. Dapat you start with medium heat. Not too hot, no? Kasi makapal yung ating frittata. Add some oil. Generous with the oil. And we will pour everything into our pan. No. Yan. Hinay-hinay. Don't rush it. And let's cover. No? Hinay-hinay lang. Not too hot para hindi masunog yung ilalim. And it cooks evenly. Yan. So, this is how you flip your frittata. Ito, malaking plato. Big enough to cover your pan. And confidence kailangan mo. Very quickly, flip. Oh, beautiful. Look at that. No? So, very important, sure na sure ka sa movements mo. No? Kasi kung hesitant ka, dun ka sasablay. No? Baliktad. Ating beautiful color. And it has to be this color to make sure that it's cooked. And it creates a nice crust. No? Frittata, by the way, means fried. So, it's not meant to be like a scrambled egg, no? Na hindi siya nag-brown. Allow that to cook. Cover naman natin to let it continue cooking, but mas faster na to kaysa yung other side. Let's check if our frittata is done. And it's very easy to check if it is done. Is you just have to press the center of your frittata, no? If it's firm, ganyan, at hindi na siya nagwawabble, ibig sabihin, naluto na yung egg, no? Hindi na siya runny. So, ito, because it's firm, it means it is cooked. You don't want to overcook it as well, no? And you're sure that everything else that's added to the eggs is already cooked kasi we sauteed it, di ba? Yung patatas was part-cooked. All the other vegetables was sauteed. We seasoned the vegetables. We also seasoned the egg. So, malasa siya, no? And now, all you have to do is, you don't have to flip it. Just have to let it slide, no? Once it's cooked, it's easy to slide, no? When you slice into it, it's flavorful, it's colorful, it's also cheesy because we added cheese. And just garnish a little bit of chopped fresh parsley. And eto na siya, ating frittata, beautifully cooked. And let's take a slice. Very easy to convert to a vegetarian dish by adding all sorts of vegetables. So, cauliflower, broccoli, dun-dun-dun. Diba ang kapal? Beautiful. You can even serve this at room temperature. It doesn't have to be hot. And eto na, perfect. Butter. Butter is life. Yan. Init pa. Perfect for breakfast, lunch, dinner, or even as part of your tapas when you're having wine, di ba? Perfect na perfect siya. Kaya try this recipe at home. easy to do using ingredients that you already have. Ang ating frittata, simple! Please like and share my videos, and if you like more recipes like this, please click here to subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell button to get notified. Simple!